Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp Kelaguen. First, ensure your shrimp are fresh, peeled, and deveined. Chop them into small, manageable pieces. Next, gather your essential ingredients: fresh lemon juice, grated coconut, finely chopped green onions, and a bit of hot pepper for a kick. Don't forget a pinch of salt to enhance all the flavors. Now let's get those shrimp ready. Place your chopped shrimp into a non-reactive bowl. Pour enough fresh lemon juice over them to ensure all the shrimp pieces are fully submerged. Let this mixture sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. The citric acid in the lemon juice will effectively cook the shrimp, turning them opaque and firm without needing any heat. Once your shrimp are perfectly cooked by the lemon juice, it's time to assemble. Carefully drain any excess lemon juice from the bowl. Then, add your grated coconut, finely chopped green onions, and the hot peppers. Gently mix all these ingredients together until they are well combined. Taste and adjust the salt as needed to achieve your desired flavor balance. Your shrimp Kelaguen is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it chilled. This vibrant dish makes a wonderful appetizer for any gathering or a refreshing side dish to complement your main course. It pairs exceptionally well with warm tidillas, which are chamorro flatbreads, or simply with a generous serving of fluffy steamed white rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.